Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best rollaway beds. Whether you're a space-saving pro or a spontaneous adventurer, the rollaway bed has got your back literally. Join us as we unfold the magic of comfort and convenience in this compact package. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth rollaway bed in our list is the Lucid Rollaway Folding Bed, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. If you've ever had unexpected guests or your little ones have friends staying over, the Lucid Rollaway Folding Bed is here to save the day. Let's kick things off with what truly matters: support. This twin-sized rollaway mattress boasts a heavenly combination of 1 inch of memory foam and 3 inches of support foam. It's like sleeping on a cloud with just the right amount of firmness for a perfect night's rest. Now, what sets this guest bed apart is its user-friendly design. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply pull it out when those unexpected guests arrive, and when they're gone, fold it up and roll it away. Speaking of guests, this bed is a lifesaver for those surprise overnight stays. Your friends and family will thank you for providing such a cozy spot to crash, and when it's not in use, the foldable frame tucks away neatly in storage. What's more, the frame features locking wheels for added stability and a spring-supported deck that trumps traditional slat and wire mesh supports. It can hold up to 350 pounds. Impressive, right? While the bed can support up to 350 pounds, this may not be sufficient for heavier individuals or couples. If you regularly host guests or exceed this weight limit, you may need to consider alternative options with higher weight capacities. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a rollaway bed with sturdy support and certified foam. The fourth rollaway bed in our list is the Foxemart Folding Bed with Mattress, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Make your guests feel at home with a Foxemart Folding Bed with Mattress. First up, let's talk design. Foxemart has seriously upped the game here. Unlike traditional rollaway beds where the mattress tends to slide around, they've incorporated 2 Velcro straps to keep it securely in place. No more midnight mattress shuffling. Now on to the meat and potatoes, the frame. This portable foldable bed boasts a high-quality steel tubing construction that's not only super sturdy but also incredibly stable. It's a champ supporting up to 300 pounds of weight with ease. But what about comfort, you ask? Well, Foxemart has nailed it with their 5-inch thick memory foam mattress. Its premium quality, odor-free, and offers excellent contouring support make it perfect for a restful night's sleep. Plus, the zippered mattress cover is not only soft, but also removable and washable for easy maintenance. Now here's the kicker: space-saving. When you're not using it, this bed folds up to a slim 12.8 inches, allowing you to store it neatly against a wall. And with the smooth rolling wheels, you can easily move it around with just one hand. Lastly, assembly is a breeze. Foxemart includes everything you need in the package: a manual, tools, and screws. You can have it ready for action in just 5 to 15 minutes. While the bed is equipped with smooth rolling wheels for easy portability, some users have reported that the wheels can produce noise when moving the bed, potentially causing disruptions. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a rollaway bed with a robust frame and a luxurious memory foam mattress. The third rollaway bed in our list is a Coleman ComfortSmart Camping Cot, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Let's dive into the world of camping comfort with a Coleman ComfortSmart Camping Cot, your ticket to a fantastic night's sleep under the stars. Let's start with the most crucial aspect: support. Coleman has nailed it with their ComfortSmart coil suspension system. It's like sleeping on a cloud, offering superior support that cradles you throughout the night. And to make things even cozier, there's a thick foam mattress pad that's pure luxury. No more restless nights or of tossing and turning. This camping cot has your back. Now, size matters, right? Well, the dimensions of this cot are on point: 69 inches in length, 25 inches in width, and a comfy 15 inches in height. That means ample space to stretch out, relax, and get that beauty sleep you deserve. But what about durability? Coleman's got you covered with a robust steel frame that can handle up to 275 pounds. That's a testament to its sturdiness and longevity. Now here's a neat feature: it's tailor-made for campers up to 5 feet and 7 inches tall. That means you can stretch out comfortably and enjoy a great night's sleep without feeling cramped. And the best part? When it's time to pack up and head home, this bad boy folds up neatly to fit into most car trunks. Now, setting up the cot can take a bit of time and effort compared to simpler camping sleeping solutions. If you prefer a quick and hassle-free setup, other options might be more suitable. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a rollaway bed with unbeatable support and roomy dimensions. The second rollaway bed in our list is the LEISUIT Foldaway guest bed, which trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Ever had that moment when you needed a quick and comfy sleeping solution? Well, the LEISUIT Foldable guest bed is here to make your dreams come true. So let's talk about what really counts: comfort. This guest bed takes comfort seriously. It comes equipped with a plush 3-inch memory foam mattress that feels like a warm hug for your body. It's the kind of mattress that delivers the restful sleep you've been longing for. No more restless nights. But here's where it gets interesting: the support system. Instead of traditional wood slats or wire mesh, LEISUIT has gone with high-strength Oxford cloth support. This means it's not just elastic but also incredibly comfortable. Now let's talk practicality. When you're done with your snooze, this bed folds away like a champ. The all-metal frame is robust and folds neatly in half, with compact folded dimensions of 37 by 31 by 6.7 inches. It is perfect for stashing it away when it's not in use. And the best part? You don't need a toolbox for assembly. This rollaway bed can be put together in just a matter of minutes. It's quick, hassle-free, and ready for action whenever you need it. However, the bed sits at a certain height, which might be challenging for people with mobility issues or those who prefer lower beds. Getting in and out of bed may require some effort. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a rollaway bed with high-strength support and tool-free assembly. The best rollaway bed in our list is the Milliard Deluxe Diplomat Folding Bed, which trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. If you're on the hunt for exceptional comfort and convenience, look no further than the Milliard Deluxe Diplomat Folding Bed. Let's kick things off with the star of the show: exceptional support. The rollaway bed boasts a full steel wire lattice frame that's not just reinforced but overbuilt, ensuring it can handle a whopping 300 pounds of weight with ease. And when you unfold this beauty, you've got a generous 75 inches in length and 38 inches in width. The mattress itself is a comfy 73 inches long to ensure a proper fold-up every time. Next, let's talk luxury. This model features the Milliard dual-sided folding bed mattress, and it's a game-changer. You get to choose your comfort level. It's got a supportive foam base and a memory foam layer, creating the perfect harmony for your body to relax and rejuvenate. Plus, it comes with a super soft mattress cover that's breezed to toss it to the wash for a quick clean. No fuzz, no hassle. But wait, there's more. This bed is not just comfy, it's practical and portable. When you're done catching some Z's, you can fold up your bed to a slim 14-inch thick profile. And those smooth rolling wheels, they make transporting and storing this bed an absolute breeze. Move it anywhere in your home without breaking a sweat. Now for the icing on the cake: assembly. Get this, assembly has never been easier for a folding bed. With a clear, illustrated manual and all the tools provided, you'll have your bed ready for action in just 5 to 15 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. No headaches, no frustration. However, some users have reported a noticeable initial odor from the memory foam mattress. While this typically dissipates over time, it can be bothersome to individuals with sensitivity to odors. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a rollaway bed with a dual-side mattress and a durable construction. And there you have it, folks, our best rollaway beds, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next rollaway bed roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.